Today I am replacing this tail light right here. It shouldn't take long. I do have procedures for it, but the maintenance manual on this particular item is not very specific, so we're going to cover all of that. I'm going to show you how to tackle this. It shouldn't be anything major. It should be super quick. But if you ever run into this problem, I'm going to show you how to do this right now. I am super happy to know and see that there are still kind people in this world. We were at an amusement park, and what happened was as we're driving, we see a piece of paper flying in the windshield under the wiper blade, and we stop and pull it out and said, hey, look, my kid opened the door, and in so doing cracked your tail light. This is my phone number, call me, and we'll make this happen. So here's a new tail light right here. It's an OEM unit. I have the receipt. Let me go get it. I'll show you the pricing and all that for it. And here it is. Now the thing is this, if you call the insurance, or if we went through the insurance, you still would have to pay the deductible, and it's nowadays like what, $600, $500, $1,000. This light here, assembly, I don't know if you can see it, with shipping and taxes is about $199.90 from the dealer. So we decided not to go through the insurance because obviously it wasn't necessary. And like I said, the guy was super nice. He got a hold of my wife got a hold of him, and he just gave her the money. She showed him the invoice, and he sent the money over, and we're making it happen right now. So the way to get this job done is super easy. All we have to do is remove these couple of retaining clips right here. 1 and 2. We're going to have to take this hook off. It has a screwdriver, and I should be able to peel right this back, and there's a hardware in the back. So let's make that happen. One more thing worth mentioning, the part number for this tail light assembly. On the right side is 81550- I don't know if you can see it, 06320, tail light assembly. All right, to take this hook off, it's just a regular Phillips head screw. Oh, here it is. Have to tug on it a little bit, and now this right here, these are probably going to break, and I do have replacement ones. Oh, interesting, they didn't break. Probably because it's in the trunk instead of being under the hood, and it's not as hot. Oh, this one broke, but anyway, it doesn't matter. We have replacement ones, and I'll show you what the replacement ones look like. Now, if you watched the video when I replaced the spray nozzles under the hood, you'll know that this is the part number for the clips that I am using for this particular application. They're universal clips. Should be able to get some for this job that we're doing right now. All right, now we can peel this back, and we should be able to see the light assembly. And here's all the hardware for right here. These three screws, and this clip right here. The clip, you just press on it, and it comes right on. These should be 10mm bolts. Let's get the socket for it. Again, 10mm is actually 4. If you'll notice, the wire harness clips onto one of the studs, so you'll take that off and move that aside, and here they are. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's take these off. There's going to be a guide pin way back here. I don't know if you can see it. It's going to be way back here under here, and that's for this part of the light assembly right here. That goes in there, and that's what it looks like once it's removed. But anyway, like I was saying, let's go at it. These nuts come right off by hand once you have them loosened. They're super light. What I mean by light, there's no torque on them. I mean, these are barely any torque on them, and they just come right off. All right, we got the 4 nuts out. Now we should be able to pop the light out from the other side. A little bit of push from the inside. Here it is. And it came right out. Here's the new one right here. And this is what I was talking about. You see this right here? This stud right here goes right in there. So all we're gonna do, a little blow with your mouth. Pop this baby right in. Like so. That's it. That's in. All we have to do is put the nuts in from the inside. Now you're gonna coast the 4 nuts on it. Should be able to literally spin them by hand all the way down, or close to that. Put your 4 nuts in. Then to snug them with the ratchet. All right, once you get your 4 nuts in, you can go ahead and re-put this guide on one of the studs and put the plug right in. Before you put this back on, let's do an ops check of this light assembly. Ops check of the lights. So see the light came on, blinker on the right. All right, brake lights. There we go, everything works, beautiful. Now we could put the liner back in the trunk. All right, it's time to put the liner back in. Put the liner in, obviously it's the reverse order. Okay, we put the hook back on. Put the screw back in. I have to use a hammer to put these clips back in. This one was tough. As you can see, the job is done. The hardest part was actually these 2 clips right here, especially because this one is not the original one, whereas this one is, and it came out easily. And yeah, that's it. The liner, just to kind of tuck it back in and put the hook back on. And that is it, my friend. As always, smash that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you at the next one. Hopefully this video was of help to you. See you next time.